Welcome to School of Civil Engineering. In our previous video, we have discussed about that how we'll pass our column and how we'll change our section property for the final design section. And in this video, I'll show you that how we'll check our beam and how we'll pass our beam over stress, and also how we'll pass our beam for design step. And in our previous video, we have seen that almost all beam are failed. So let's start. At first, we'll open our previous model, and if you didn't see our previous video, you can watch that. So after opening, we will analyze that. As we have previously analyzed, it's log, so it's no need to analyze again. First of all, we'll go from here, start design check, or from here concrete frame, start design check. So start design check. Here design check have been completed. Then as we'll work only for beam, so first of all we'll see from here elevation view, apply. Here we're seeing that there are two beam are failing. Here I'm overstressed for combination 56 and 56. And we'll go, they have many beam, the red color representing that these beam are failing to pass the load. Again go, here also failing several beam, here also failing, here also, and here also failing. So we'll go in 3 mode, we'll select from here, we'll go verify all member passed. We're seeing that 51 concrete frame failed to design check. So do you want to select them? Yes, select. After that we'll show selected object only. Here we're seeing that the object. After that we'll see the design section. Here section, apply. From here go undefined shape. Here we're seeing that wall section are in 10 into 15. They have two way to pass the design check. First of all, change the section, increase the section of that beam, and another way is decrease the torsional coefficient or torsional factor. So first of all we'll just use pre-select and we'll unselect that. After that we'll go here, assign frame section properties, and here beam. First of all we'll increase the section 10 into 18, then apply for wall. Okay, and click here show all object, and again we'll go for analysis. Okay, and if is it okay, so from here go design check. So from here we'll see the verify member. We're seeing that this time 33 concrete also failed. So now we'll select that, and also will show selected object only, and from here, and we'll go undeformed shape, and it's showing 10 into 18, 10 into 18. Here almost wall frame are 10 into 18. They're also failing. Now as it is failing, then we'll use pre-select, and we'll go assign frame. Sorry, we have to unlock that. Assign frame. From here, now we'll modify the section. First of all, go modifier show. From here 10 into 18, click here modify or show properties. So from here we'll go here properties modifier, and here is the important thing, torsional constant. At first you have to know what is torsional constant. The torsional constant is when we'll give here 1, the beam will take total torsional force from that building, but if we reduce that, it will distribute its torsional force to slab or column. So first of all we'll give here 0.1, almost 0. It will take torsional constant almost 0. And there have a important thing, that when you will reduce that torsional constant, some crack may occur on beam for that, but it's not dangerous. So click OK, 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 and here apply OK. This time again we'll go for analysis, and we'll check what happened now. So first of all go design check, design check done, and surprisingly you are seeing that only 2 concrete frame are failing the design check. Close that, see show all object, and from here we're seeing that only 2 objects are failing and all other frame are passing. So see here only 2 frames, select and show selected object only. Here we're seeing that only had 2 objects are failing and another all objects are passing. So again we'll click here uniform shape, and we'll reduce its torsional resistance. So unlock that, go here assign frame section properties, and from here modify, same way modify, and here also will give her 0.01. 0.01 consider that the torsional constant are almost 0. I mean the beam will not take any torsional force to design that beam. So OK, 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 and apply. Then again we'll go for, we'll show wall object, and again we'll go for analysis. Now we'll check the building. After design check, again we'll see that it is okay or not. It's known as trial and error process. In this process we'll change our section, otherwise we'll change our other properties to pass the building. So click here, verify wall member. Now in this time we're seeing that wall concrete frame passed the design check. I mean our building are now okay to design. So in this way you can pass your column failure and can design your building. And next video I'll show you about detailing of that building, and after that I will start the importance of topic like response spectrum method, pushover method to design or to analyze the building at the time of earthquake position. So stay connected. Thank you very much.